Want to create a notebook? Like this one? No worries, I'll show you guys how to make it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's be productive with me. First let's make the book cover. Just follow the steps as I'm showing, and you'll be able to create a design like mine. Select inches. Put the size in the boxes. Now, click on the plus icon. Then swipe right, click on background. Choose the one you like. Now, click on elements again. Take a shape, place it in the middle, to create the spine of the book cover. Click on the search bar and search for pattern. Again choose the one you like. Then rotate and place it like this. Now copy the same pattern and place it on the other side. Search for sticky note. I'm choosing this one. Change the color if you want. I'm changing the color as you can see. Now it's time to add text. Choose any font you like. Change the color if you want to. Now it's time to create the inside pages. Click on the plus icon, then custom size. Put the measurements as I'm showing. Click on the plus icon, then elements. Search for ripped paper. You'll get a lot of options. Choose one of them or you can just use the ones I'm using. Place it in the middle like this. Now add text. Change font. Now again go to elements and search writing lines. Adjust the size. Click on copy. I'm changing the color. Now I'm gonna add some more elements. This is optional, completely depends on you. If you want to leave it as it is, you can do it. It's up to you. But I would like to add some more elements because I like it that way. Now click here. You can see the duplicate option down there. Click on that, it will duplicate the pages.
So, now you have your notebook, ready to upload on Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in the next video.